Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a hot topic that's close to our hearts and good for the planet, designing with sustainability in mind. Now, sustainability doesn't mean compromising on style or comfort. You can totally have a chic, cozy home that's also eco-friendly. So let's jump in. When you're picking out furniture or decor, check out materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, and jute. These materials are not only beautiful but also much kinder to the environment. For us in India, we have so many natural local options. Jute is a big one. You can get jute rugs, cushion, you name it, and they have it. They're durable, look amazing, and come with a much smaller environmental footprint. Let's talk lighting next. Switching to LED bulbs can save up to 80% of energy compared to traditional ones. They last longer and consume less electricity, so your bill and the planet will thank you. Plus, LEDs come in warm and cool tones, so you get to set the mood without the guilt. And let's not forget natural light. Whenever possible, design your spaces to let in that gorgeous sunlight. Not only is it free, but it also keeps our home bright and happy. Why buy when you can DIY? India has a great tradition of upcycling and reusing. So let's tap into that. Thrift stores, flea markets, or even your grandparents' attic. These places are treasure troves of unique decor items. Imagine giving an old chair a fresh coat of paint or turning an old sari into curtain or a wall decor. DIYing adds a personal touch to your space and reduces waste. A win-win, right? Plants, the original sustainable decor. They look fantastic, purify the air, and add life to any room. Pick easy to care plants like money plants, snake plant, or even the humble aloe vera. They are low maintenance and adapt well to Indian climates. Plus, indoor plants are like little green soldiers, fighting off indoor pollution. Just remember to give them a little love with water and sunlight. Finally, sustainability is all about thinking long term. Instead of buying trendy furniture every season, invest in quality pieces that will last. Durable furniture not only saves money over time, but also keeps stuff out of landfills. It's a simple mindset shift. Buy less, but buy better. And in the long run, it's better for the planet and your wallet. And there you have it, folks. Sustainable design that's stylish and thoughtful. Whether you're building a new space or just refreshing your decor, remember that each choice you make has an impact. Let's make it a positive one. So, if you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. Until next week, goodbye.